Imagine opening your front door to find a world devoid of clutter. No piles of papers, no forgotten trinkets, just an inviting space that breathes serenity. People often chase after happiness through possessions. Yet what if the secret to true contentment lies in having less? As the minimalist lifestyle gains momentum, more individuals are discovering that shedding the excess is not just about physical space, it's about mental clarity. What if something as simple as decluttering your home could transform your mind and spirit? The essence of minimalism. Minimalism is not merely a trend, it is a profound lifestyle philosophy. At its core, minimalism promotes living with only the essentials, focusing on experiences rather than things. People who adopt this mindset often find their lives enriched by meaningful relationships and genuine experiences, rather than by accumulating wealth or excessive possessions. Consider for a moment how much of your time is spent managing belongings, cleaning, or organizing. Could your energy be channeled into something more fulfilling? By stripping away the superfluous, minimalists unearth a sense of freedom. This liberation allows them to focus more on what truly matters, which can lead to increased happiness and peace of mind. The practice of minimalism encourages individuals to reflect on their values and priorities. What do you cherish most? It's an invitation to reassess the relationship you have with your belongings and subsequently with yourself. The mental detox. Decluttering isn't just about organizing drawers or tossing out old shoes, it's a detox for the mind. Every item in your living space carries energy. Over time, this accumulation can lead to feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. By engaging in a mental detox through minimalism, one can significantly reduce the cognitive load created by excess. What if you could reclaim the mental bandwidth that has been consumed by evaluating clutter or deciding what to keep? Imagine walking into a calm environment, one that doesn't bombard your senses. Such spaces foster creativity, clarity, and calmness. It's surprising how a simple environment can facilitate a more productive mindset. Studies suggest that a cluttered environment can hinder focus and increase stress, while simplicity promotes tranquility. Does this resonate with your experiences? Simplicity over complexity. The common belief is that abundance leads to happiness. More toys for children mean more joy. More belongings for adults correlate to success. However, research reveals a surprising counterpoint. Congestion can often lead to chaos and dissatisfaction. Think about it. The more you have, the more time you spend on maintenance, shifting, organizing, cleaning. What if you turned that narrative on its head? What if embracing fewer items could lead to deeper satisfaction? In a world that glorifies overconsumption, minimalism stands as a powerful antidote. It challenges societal norms and offers an alternative path, one that prioritizes freedom and peace over material accumulation. The idea that less is more becomes a guiding principle. How liberating would it feel to pursue a lifestyle that encourages you to let go of the unnecessary? Practical steps toward minimalism. Transitioning to a minimalist lifestyle might seem daunting, but it begins with small, manageable steps. Start by identifying areas in your home that overwhelm you, whether it's a cluttered closet or an overflowing bookshelf. Commit to decluttering one space at a time. As you begin this journey, ask yourself a guiding question for each item. Does this bring me joy or serve a purpose? Setting a timeline can also be helpful. Perhaps dedicate a weekend to tackle your space or establish 10 minutes a day to focus on decluttering. You might find that the act of letting go is more empowering than you expected. As you proceed, consider the emotional connections you have with certain items. Are you holding on to something out of obligation or guilt? Acknowledging these feelings is an essential part of the process. Redefining value. Once you start to simplify your environment, it's time to redefine what value means to you. Many individuals mistakenly equate value with monetary worth. However, true value often resides in experiences, relationships, and personal growth. As you transition into minimalism, begin to discover the richness in simplicity. How has your perception of value shifted as you declutter and seek more meaningful experiences? This shift encourages a focus on quality over quantity. Consider investing time in building relationships, pursuing hobbies, or engaging in experiences that enrich your life. You might find that those precious moments become more fulfilling than any material possession ever could. Additionally, as you cultivate this mindset, you might inspire others around you to reconsider their own attachments to physical goods. Creating a tranquil environment. A minimalist lifestyle creates a tranquil environment that nurtures mental well-being. Spaces filled with only what you truly love can serve as a sanctuary. Incorporating elements such as plants, natural light, and calming colors can further enhance this atmosphere. The aim is to curate a home that fosters relaxation and creativity, where the ambiance echoes your personal journey towards serenity. This tranquil setting promotes mindfulness, allowing you to be present in the moment. When your surroundings are calm, your mind reflects that peace. It becomes easier to engage in activities like reading, meditation, or simply enjoying a cup of tea without distractions. Have you ever noticed how certain spaces impact your mood and productivity? The ripple effect of minimalism. Minimalism has a powerful ripple effect that extends beyond your personal space. As you simplify your life, you become more conscious of your consumption habits. This heightened awareness not only improves your well-being, but also fosters a sense of responsibility towards the environment. By embracing minimalism, you contribute to sustainable living practices, reducing waste, and promoting a healthier planet. Moreover, this mindful approach can influence your immediate relationships. You may find that those around you begin to reassess their own lifestyles. Conversations about simplicity and mindful living can spark meaningful discussions, creating a community that values connection over complexity. By committing to minimalism, you become a catalyst for change, inspiring others to rethink their lives. As you reflect on your journey toward minimalism, consider how it has changed your perspective on happiness. What insights have you gained about your values and priorities? Have these changes shifted the way you interact with others or perceive your environment? Your journey could inspire someone else looking for peace in a chaotic world. How do you envision your life transforming as you embrace minimalism? Your thoughts could pave the way for meaningful conversations and connections.